In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications in Trello, ensuring you never miss an important update or task reminder. Whether you're managing a busy team project or keeping track of your personal tasks, having notifications directly on your desktop makes it easy to stay organized and on top of everything. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by opening Trello and navigating to the interface. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a bell icon, which represents notifications. Go ahead and click on this bell icon. This is your doorway to accessing the notifications menu, which provides various options to customize your experience. After clicking the bell icon, a menu will appear. In the upper part of this menu, you'll notice three vertical dots. This symbol often represents additional settings or more options. Let's click on those three dots to proceed. Upon doing this, you'll see a range of choices designed to enhance your use of Trello. Within these choices, you'll find the Allow Desktop Notifications option. Selecting this will open a dialog box in your web browser, as many modern browsers seek your explicit permission to send notifications. It's a security feature that ensures you're in control of what can interrupt your workflow on your computer. When the permission request pops up, you'll likely be given a couple of choices, something along the lines of allow or block. Since we're setting up notifications right now, go ahead and click allow. Once you've done this, congratulations, you have successfully enabled desktop notifications for Trello. This small but significant change means you will now receive alerts directly on your desktop every time there's an update or notification. This is a game changer for tracking your projects and tasks without constantly switching back to the Trello tab. It's especially helpful if you have many tabs open or are working in other programs, but still need to remain informed without the hassle of manually checking Trello every few minutes. And there you go, quick and simple. Your Trello desktop notifications are now fully operational, ready to help you stay productive and efficient. If, at any time, you feel overwhelmed by notifications, you can revisit the same menu to disable them, giving you control over your notification preferences. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Trello.